Hello everyone, Karen Miller here. Today is the 27th of November, the day before this American holiday, Thanksgiving, that everybody gets really excited about. I'm more of a Christmas person, but you know, it's very contagious. You just, it's getting pulled in. So I have some cranberries here. I'm going to do cranberry sauce because my family loves cranberries and the cranberry sauce. So I started this here. I did 1 packet of the cranberries. I have the juice of 1 orange, and what I did was I removed the inner parts like this of the orange, so the juice and this part of it, so the whole orange, and this is going to disintegrate. I already put half in there. I just wanted to show you exactly what I did. And I'm going to put a little bit, I'm going to grate a little bit of the orange rind. I don't want to overpower the sauce with the orange flavor, so I'm just gonna put a little bit of the rind. And I did a cup of agave syrup and a small cinnamon stick. That's about it, and you have your cranberry sauce. So this is going to cook. It's gonna cook, simmer for about 2 hours. And you have your cranberry sauce. I'm going to, towards the end, I'm going to take the microplane and grate some of this off the rind, and that's it. Okay guys, so the cranberries have been cooking for about 2 hours. I like it to just simmer on low. This is what it looks like. I removed the cinnamon stick, and this is what it looks like. So I'm doing this the day before Thanksgiving. Something like this, you do it the day before. It's so simple to do. Don't get involved with this on the day because you will be busy as it is. So you do this the day before and you put it in the refrigerator. It's going to be better anyway. And it's going to get a little bit jelly-like the next day. So that's good. So I'm going to cover this and move on to my next dish. I'm going to put in a lot of the umami flavors in there, so you feel like you're eating meat. I found this at Trader Joe's. It's a Mushroom and Company multi-purpose umami seasoning blend, and it has a lot of good stuff in here. It has thyme, dried thyme, black pepper, salt, dried onions, mustard seed, and the key ingredient is the porcini mushrooms, because the porcini mushrooms is what is really going to give you that umami flavor for you to really enjoy this. Okay, so I have some chickpeas in here. I'm going to give you the recipe on my website. I'm going to add a whole mushroom. I do not want to put a lot of mushrooms in here because I don't want to get it too soft and mushy. I want to be able to roll this in a ball and fry it or bake it. I want this to be like a falafel that you can roll it like a ball. It's not very soft and you can fry it. This is what I want. So I'm going to put some parsley in here, lots of parsley, some leeks. You can put green onions if you wish. I'm gonna put some salt, some sea salt, some red pepper flakes, and we're gonna get this going. I'm going to add some other things, but let's get this going for now. So guys, I poured out my mixture into the bowl, and I'm going to add a little bit of allspice. Forgot to do that. Just a dash of ground allspice, some extra flavor. And just for good measure, I'm going to add a little bit more of that seasoning blend. Mix that in. So you need to put this in the refrigerator for about 15 minutes to firm up a bit. So I don't have a lot of oil here because I'm not deep frying this. I'm making some patties like this. And we're gonna put it in here. You can also put this on a baking sheet on some parchment paper and put it in the oven. So this is frying up. When I come back, I'm going to turn it. And you can use this also as a hamburger patty. I mean, I think this is going to stay a lot better. It's going to hold a lot better because the chickpea is not cooked, it's raw. All I did was soak the chickpea. Like when you're doing falafel, you don't cook the chickpea. You just soak it and then you process it with the other ingredients. So this is the same thing here. I mean, I could already feel that this is not falling apart. So this is perfect for you to do as when you're making your vegan hamburgers. Vegan, not vegan hamburgers, that doesn't make sense. Vegan burgers. So guys, here is the vegan meatball, vegan veggie ball, whatever you want to call it. And I'm serving this with some of the chow chow. Delicious. Do this dish. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Take care.